All right, so when you open up your assignment this week, you're going to see Scotland's Burning and Phoebe questions. You have 2 attempts on it, and this is just so that I can kind of see what your thinking is. So if you get it wrong, you're still okay. It's not a big deal. This isn't for a grade, but it lets me see kind of where we're at. So it's very important that I see that, so I know how to help you in our next lesson. So we're going to start a new attempt, and we're going to open up here. It says, how many beats are in the first phrase of Scotland's Burning? Listen to the recording. So right here is the recording for that. And then you're going to select whether it was beat, if it was 1 beat, 2 beats, 3 beats, or 4 beats. So you might go, Scotland's burning, Scotland's burning. And that was all of phrase 1. So I only had, where did I stop at? Let's see. Ready and go. Scotland's burning, Scotland's burning. I stopped right here. So you would tell me, is that going to be 1 beat, 2 beats, 3 beats, or 4 beats long? After that, you're going to go down to the bottom where it says next, and you're going to go on. How many sounds or loops are on each beat in phrase 1 in Scotland's Burning? Listen to the recording. So you're going to go through on those 4 beats. You're going to see how many sounds are on each of those. Ready and go. Scotland's burning, Scotland's burning. Loo, 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 loo. So the loos help me out quite a bit. So try those loos. See if you can figure out how many loos are on each of these beats. Ready and go. Loo, 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 loo. You're going to mark 1 sound, 2 sound, 3 sound, or 4 sound, whichever one it is. You go to the next one. It says, which beat or beats have the lowest pitch in phrase 1 in Scotland Burning? Make sure to mark all the beats you think have the lowest pitch for full credit. Listen to the recording. So I can listen to the recording. And then if I need to mark more than one, I can mark more than one. I can mark 1 and 2. I can 2 and 3. I could do 2 and 4. I could do 1 and 4. It is up to you. But I need to know which beat has the lowest sounds there. Once you figure that out, you're going to go to next. Which beat or beats has the highest pitch in phrase 1 of Scotland's Burning? Make sure to mark all the beats you think have the highest pitch for full credit. Same thing. You can mark more than one here if you need to. So, figuring out which one has the highest in that question. Next one. How many beats are in phrase 1 of Phoebe in her petticoat? Listen to the recording. So we're going to go through and we're going to see how many beats are there. Phoebe in her petticoat. So Phoebe in her petticoat, that's phrase 1. So I need to know how many beats there were. Was it 1, 2, 3, or 4? Then you're going to go to the next question. How many sounds are on phrase 1 on beat 4? How many sounds are in phrase 1 on beat 4? So how many sounds are on beat 4 right here? Ready and we're doing it on Lou. Ready and go. Lou, 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 Lou. How many sounds were right here? Check your answer. Ready and go. Lou, 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 Lou. How many sounds were right there? Was it 1 sound, 2 sound, 3 sound, or 4 sounds? I'm going to go to the next question. How many sounds are on all the other beats in phrase 1 of Phoebe and her petticoat? Listen to the recording. So we're going to figure out how many sounds are on beats 1, 2, and 3 now. Ready and on Lou, ready and go. Lou, 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 Lou. Let me know. Is there 1 sound on each of those beats? 2 sounds, 3 sounds, or 4 sounds? Then we're going to click next. We're going to tell Mr. Weed which has the lowest pitch in phrase 1 of Phoebe. So listen to the recording then. We go through and go. Loo, 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 loo. Where was the lowest? Was it on beat 1, 2, 3, or 4? Then we have which beat has the same pitch repeated twice on the same beat? Listen to the recording. We're listening for 2 times on one beat that the pitches are the same. So, where does that happen at? Loo, 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 loo. Try and figure that out. Then we're going to go over to question 10. Which beat has the highest pitch in phrase 1 of Phoebe? Listen to the recording. Whether it be 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let's see. Ready and go. Loo, 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 loo. Which one had the highest? Check your answer. Loo, 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 loo. Then you're going to mark which one that was. Was it be 1, 2, 3, or 4? It says, how would you describe the pitches on beat 1 in Phoebe? Listen to the recording. The first pitch is high and the second is low. The first pitch is low and then the second is high, what that should say, and I'll change that. The pitches stay the same, or there is only one sound on the beat. So on beat 1, loo, loo. Did it go higher, lower? Did it start high and go low? Did it start low and go high? Or did it stay the same? Or was there only one sound on that beat? Going to the next question. How would you compare the pitches on beat 2 to the last pitch on beat 1? Listen to the recording. Is the first pitch higher than the last pitch on beat 1? Was the first pitch on beat 2 lower than the last pitch on beat 1? Or was the first pitch on beat 2 is the same as the last pitch on beat 1? Let's see. Loo, loo, loo. Loo. Going from high to low, low to high, or did it stay the same? Then we go to question 13. How would you describe the pitches on beat 3 in Phoebe? Listen to the recording. The first pitch is higher than the second. The first pitch is lower than the second. The first and second pitch are the same, or there's only one sound on the beat. Let's see. We're looking at beat 3 compared to the last part of beat 2. Here we go. Ready and go. Loo, 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 loo. Did that go down? Or did that go from high to low, low to high? Or did it stay the same? Or was there only one sound on the beat? Question 14. How would you compare the first pitch on beat 3 to the last pitch on beat 2? Oh, I'm sorry. I just did that one. I'm sorry. How would you describe the question 13 is how would you describe the pitches on beat 3 in Phoebe? We're looking at just beat 3. And so we're going to figure out, does it go from high to low, low to high? Did it stay the same, or was there only one sound on that beat? So let's see. Loo, 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 loo. Loo, loo. Did that go from high to low? Did that go from low to high? Did it stay the same? Or was there only one sound? There was no change. And then question 14 was what we just talked about. We're looking at the last part of beat 2 and comparing it to the first part of beat 3. So Loo, 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 loo. Did that go high to low, low to high? Did it stay the same? Or were they that's the only options you have? Did it go from higher to lower, lower to higher, or did they stay the same? So once you have all those questions answered, you're going to go to review. You're going to see that everything has a gray bar and that you've attempted it, you've tried. If it does not have a gray bar, that means that you did not attempt it. The blue bar just shows that you are on that last one. And then you're going to click finish and submit it to me once you have everything answered. Hope that makes sense. If you need any assistance or help understanding, please let me know. I will see you next time. I'll see you here in a little while.